In this video, you'll learn how to convert Bitcoin or BTC to Tether, known as USDT, on the Binance platform. This process is straightforward and allows you to exchange your cryptocurrency quickly and efficiently. Start by navigating to the Binance website or application. Once you reach the main page, locate the login button, usually found at the top right corner. Enter your credentials to access your account. If prompted, complete any two-factor authentication steps to ensure security. After logging in, direct your attention to the top menu where you will find various options. Hover over or click on the trade section to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the convert option. This will take you to the conversion tool, which is designed specifically for exchanging cryptocurrencies. Once the convert tool is open, you will see fields to select your assets. In the first field, choose BTC as the asset you want to convert. This selection indicates that you are starting with Bitcoin. After making this selection, the interface will prompt you to choose the asset you wish to receive. Next, in the receiving asset field, select USDT. This indicates that you want to convert your Bitcoin into Tether. Following this, you will need to enter the amount of BTC you wish to convert. As you input this amount, the system will automatically display the preview rate, allowing you to see the conversion rate before finalizing the transaction. After reviewing the conversion details, confirm the transaction by clicking on the confirmation button, typically labeled convert or confirm. Once you click this button, the system will process your request. Depending on network conditions, this may take a moment. After the transaction is complete, navigate to your spot wallet to check for an update in your USDT balance, ensuring that the conversion has been successfully executed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.